Another video for you today. I want to introduce you to the KT Hive Tool and Scraper and the KT Frame Cleaner. These were named after a beekeeper from Norfolk called Keith Tinsey, and it was him who first started using these sort of tools, and him and some of his beekeeping associates put us on to these, and they are absolutely fantastic. Okay, so we'll start with the Hive Tool and Scraper. It's about 26 centimetres long overall, got about 17 centimetre long handle, rubber grip, really nicely. It feels really nice in your hand, really comfortable, not like some Hive tools you can get. I've got some very, very old frames in a box here, very, very old frame in a box. We keep a few of these around the back of one of our sheds just to sort of, for these sort of demonstration purposes. We also have bee groups in actually, and they're shown how to sort of clean the equipment up. So one great thing to do with this is to just clean the tops of your frame. So I'm going to show you very quickly how it comes off. This has been on there for a long time. See how that's cleaned it up incredibly well, actually, on there. Show another, you do another one. The great thing about this is that these are replaceable. So these blades, they'll last you a long time, but they are replaceable. So you can take one off and put another one in. So replaceable blades. You can see it's almost gone straight back to the wood. It's very, very satisfying, actually. Do that one as well. So you can also get into the corners on the actual boxes themselves. Another thing, of course, are crown boards. Again, this is an old crown board we've had for quite a number of years now. Again, you see how quick that brings that off. Just pull it towards you and it takes the wax off without any problems at all and brings it really quite back to almost new. It's great smooth finish on there. So that is the Hive Tool and Scraper. So if you only have that in your pack, you can also obviously use it to lever up the frames, but to be honest, the scraper part is really the best thing about this tool. Second tool, this is the KT Hive Frame Cleaner, or Frame Cleaner really. So it's got a triangular blade on the top, again very, very sharp on 3 edges, and again you can undo the screw here and then turn it, if one edge blunts, turn it to the other edge, turn it again. And of course, you can also buy replacement blades for these as well. So it's fully replaceable. Similar sort of thing, a nice ergonomic rubber handle. Feels really nice in your hands, feels like a really sort of a solid piece of kit. This is ideal for cleaning in sort of little nooks and crannies that Hive tools can't get to, and also cleaning out your frames. So this is one that I've just taken some old foundation from. And if you see, we can get right in here with that blade and go right along the sidebar groove. And then right in here as well to clean out where the wedge goes. This frame actually isn't too bad, I suppose. You can get right in that groove and clean that right out so it can be re-waxed. There we go. There we go. Clean it right out there. Very, very satisfying tool. So this is the KT Frame Cleaner.